Ladies and gents, gearheads and gravel goblins, today we're diving into the 2026 Zontes 200C cruiser motorbike. If you're new to the channel, this is the only place on YouTube where you will find all you need to know regarding looking after your Zontes ride. Please like and subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you don't miss out on new content uploads. This 198 cubic centimeters engine, nicknamed KD163ML, is a game changer. As you can see in the photo, the water pump is in the standard location. A radical change from the Yamaha type of water pump, located the other side of engine, at the top of the engine, which powered the 125 cubic centimeters and 150 cubic centimeters variants. Proven this last year in the 200G and 200GK. It's now being adopted into the 200C cruiser motorbike. This video shows the very latest incarnation of the 150 cruiser, which the 200 cubic centimeters version will be identical to, spec-wise. Except of course it will have the proven 200 cubic centimeters engine capable of 137 kilometers per hour and very quick off the mark. With a seat height of only 700 millimeters, it's suitable for smaller stature folk. So like its sibling 125 and 150 versions, it's going to be very popular. So enjoy this video. Let me know in the comments where you are watching from, and get a heart sent back at you. Until next time, Mad Mick.
You how to wait, just a little taste, just a little taste. Won't you tell me something I wouldn't know? Make me wanna see you again before I go. I don't need a boyfriend to give me something close. Give me something close, give me something close. You're tumbling around in my head. Can't think through all the words I never said.
I'm coming for the throne.